This video has been prepared by FSU College of Law students under the supervision of licensed attorneys. It is intended to provide legal education only. The students are not attorneys, and the information provided does not constitute legal advice. We hope this information is helpful.
The Census, a guide for immigrants. What is the purpose of the census? The purpose of the census is to make an accurate count of every person in the country and to determine which areas have more people. It is used to decide how many representatives each state receives. It is also used to decide where to build roads, schools, hospitals, and fire departments. What else is the census used for? Along with government use, the census is also used by businesses to decide where to open up, and nonprofits to decide where to allocate resources. They will both only use general census data. Don't worry, they won't be able to get your specific results. What kind of questions does the census ask? The first series of questions are about your household. It will ask how many people live there and what kind of home you live in. This is meant to record statistics about home ownership and renting. The census will also ask for your phone number. This is just in case they need to ask you for clarification on your census results. It is not common to be contacted, but it does happen. Don't worry. They will only call you about official census business, and a call from them is nothing to fear. Demographic questions. These allow the government to understand the amount of people of different races, cultures, ages, and genders that are in different areas. This is so that the government can better monitor against discrimination. These questions are generally geared towards a person 1, who is the center of the household. Person 2 questions. These questions ask about other people that live in the household. This part is so that all people who live in the household are counted and counted properly. Things that the census will never ask for. The census will never ask for your social security number, money or payment, or bank or credit card information. If you receive a call from anyone claiming to be a census representative and they ask for any of these things, do not answer. It should also be noted that there is no citizenship question in the census. You can rest easy knowing that a citizenship question will not be asked. The census is currently offered in 12 different languages. It is offered in Spanish, Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, Russian, Arabic, Tagalog, Polish, French, Haitian Creole, Portuguese, and Japanese. To make it more inclusive to people and to avoid language barriers. If you are worried or afraid that your information could fall into the wrong hands or be used against you, don't worry. All of your responses are strictly confidential. The information can only be seen by a sworn representative of the Department of Commerce. Also, info can only be used generally. It cannot be used to identify specific people. Furthermore, your information cannot be shared with law enforcement or ICE. The census is a tool that allows the interests of the people to be more easily addressed. Immigrants benefit from filling out the census as well by allowing their lives and needs to be counted, and by indicating where public resources should go. You can fill out the census online, by phone, or by mail, as long as you do it before October 31st. So make sure that you're counted and fill out the census today.
The Public Interest Law Center provides limited legal services, but if you would like to have your legal issue considered, please email us at pilc@ law.fsu.edu.